this time, but I don't know how to change it. Do you know how?
Are you Zane?
Huh?
What you asking?
Change time, this time.
What's the time? It's 7:10.
But I don't
Your
like it,
your
this one.
mobile it's English. Okay, I
Eh.
will try.
You have a good camera.
This is old already. This Jokal almost 6 years.
Ah, but it's very, very nice.
Not nice. This is broken already because the kids always throwing everywhere like
Yeah, I
this.
know.
Yeah.
But Madam gave me a new one. But
That's the new.
yeah, it's
Ah,
like 3 weeks. But
3 weeks.
use it. Because
Maybe
baby.
it's only 300 real like this. Isa.
Winter is coming soon.
Mean.
Winter.
Winter?
Mm.
It's start now. Did you
Our home
Did
is
you
still
did,
hot.
did you observe that like this the weather has becoming cold? Huh?
There is no winter.
No. Before
Our
it's
home
very
is
hot.
yeah,
It's now
but now
so
somehow.
But it's changed already. When the 1st of September, it's changed already.
Oh,
It's changed why? Not like before that it's very hot.
thank God.
Start now it's September, October, November, December like this. It's cold.
Oh, December too much.
I don't know what's happening because like before it's very cold, but last year it's not very cold.
Mm.
We observed not very cold.
Last
Yani
time
it's
no, I came here Riyadh in November.
okay. It's not very cold, sah.
No,
So
but
that's why the
I
climate is changed.
voila.
Okay.
Then Abaha. Too much
Rain.
raining. Ah, but I like it.
No, it's raining there and it's cold. It's
Cold.
raining. Yes, it's cold.
Ah, voila, praise.
The Shakala there told it's always rainy. She can't dry her clothes outside.
Ah, everything is outside.
Yes, all water outside.
Oh,
If you go outside, the water is outside.
wow.
So why rain?
Mm.
Kitir mo ya bara.
Very, very good.
Nagdaldalan na kami. Dito kami sa Estereha.
Going to